these are the 3 phases you will go through in order to become a full-time Forex trader in 2023. Alright, so before I get into the 3 phases, I want to ask you all what your goals are for this brand new year, 2023. Please let me know down below in the comment section what your goals are. It can be trading wise, in your personal life as well. Let me know down below. I will check every single comment out and I'll make sure to reply. Okay, now let's get straight into it. What are the 3 phases? Well, phase 1 is the most basic one. You just have to start. What do I mean by start? Well, not only watching YouTube videos or courses or webinars, actually start trading, okay? That means go ahead, open a demo account. Notice I said demo, not live account, okay? Open a demo account and start trading. That's what I mean by starting, okay? Now, since we are done with phase 1, which is the easiest one, now we go into phase 2, which is the hardest phase out of the 3, out of the 3 phases. Okay, so phase 2 can take between months or years. It depends on each individual. I cannot say, I cannot predict the future, so therefore I cannot know if it's gonna take you two months to get past phase 2, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, or 3 years. Okay, it can be either way. It is totally up to you. All right, so that being said, what do I mean by phase 2? Well, in the phase 2 is the time where you seek the knowledge, okay, where you try to develop your own way of trading, where you discover a strategy that will give you an edge in the market, okay, that will give you consistent profits. It can either be a self-taught strategy that you, let's say, combine by watching YouTube strategies. It can either be a strategy you follow that you've learned in a online course or a mentorship, or a webinar. There's plenty courses out there that you can learn from. Of course, me personally, I have my own mentorship for the people that are interested, but you get my point. You have to seek knowledge, okay? And after you seek knowledge, you have to put it in action. What do I mean by that? You have to backtest it to see, okay, is this strategy profitable? Is it profitable over 2-3 months in a row? You can do that by backtesting on TradingView. You can do that by demo trading. There's plenty of ways for you to do that. You just need to do it. Just do it, literally. So also, you have to enjoy the process. I cannot stress this enough. You have to enjoy the process because, as I said, it can take months, it can take years. Try to celebrate every small win. What do I mean by small win? Let's say you break even in a day where you started with a loss. Celebrate it. Be happy about it. Okay? Let's say you ended a long backtest that took you days or weeks, and the backtest results are satisfying. Celebrate it. Enjoy it. Okay? Celebrate small wins, and trust me, your journey will be a lot better. Because if not, if you're very, very focused on the outcome and you want to become a millionaire and you only think about that, trust me, it's going to be very hard, and there's going to be a very high chance for you to quit. Okay, so try to enjoy the small wins, be thankful of anything, and continue the journey. Okay, so let's say you did it all. You seek the knowledge, you backtested, you demo traded. Now you are ready to take it to the live account. This is also part of phase 2. That's what. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. That's what I meant by it can take years or months, okay, depending on you. Now you take it to the live account. Okay, once you take it to the live account, it's your responsibility to to treat things the same as you did on the demo account. Meaning, you need to be disciplined. You need to follow the same strategy, the same rules, the same trading plan, the same risk management that you know that will bring you those consistent profits. Okay, this is up to you, and this is also part of phase 2, and it is not easy. I know so many traders that are consistent on a demo account, and as soon as they jump on the live account, they start to lose very many trades in a row. Okay, so this is also part of phase 2. It's a important step. It's not hard to get past it, but once you do, you are pretty much a full-time trader. Literally, once you do get past this step, once you are comfortably trading a live account and growing it consistently month after month, week after week, using the same exact ways, same exact risk management, you are pretty much a full-time trader. Legit. Okay, and now let's talk about phase number 3. So you overcame the hardest part, which is phase 2. Phase 2 is the phase where 90% of traders get stuck. Okay, because yes, everyone can start, but only 5-10% of those people can get past phase 2. Okay, now you are at phase 3. You are probably already a full-time trader. You trade your own personal account. You may be trading a live funded FTMO account as well, or any prop firm account. You're getting consistent payouts. You're a very good trader, consistent. Okay, there's so many traders out there that are consistent. Of course, so many, meaning 3% out of the 100% that started. Okay, now phase 3 is all about staying disciplined and doing the things that you know work. Okay, not changing anything. Okay, sticking to the plan. And apart from this, be thankful. Be thankful that you achieved it, that you got to be a full-time trader. Don't forget to enjoy life. Okay, remember, why did you start trading in the first place? You started trading to probably maybe quit your job, have more time, have more freedom, travel more. Do not forget about it. Maybe you started because you wanted to buy your dream car. You wanted to buy a supercar. Do not forget about it. Go ahead, enjoy life if you can afford it. Go ahead and enjoy life. Travel. Buy that dream car. Okay? If you can afford it. We only live once, so once you get there, don't try to be greedy, wanting more and more and more and more, being obsessed like a trading robot. No. Of course, trade, stay consistent, but also enjoy life. Okay? Also enjoy the benefits, because that's what's going to keep you in this game year after year, being very happy as well. Okay? So that being said, these are pretty much the 3 phases that I think we all have to go through in order to become successful while trading. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know down below, and make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any future uploads like this one. And as always, I will see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.